fish swims by, underneath the bright blue sky, splashing gently through the sea. Come along and play with me. Tiny tail goes swish, 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 meeting every friendly fish. Round the coral, left and right, everything feels warm and bright. Sparkly bubbles float so high, dancing upward to the sky. Pop, 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 they shine with cheer, making ocean friends smile near. Sea turtles glide so calm and slow, starfish sparkle down below. Little crab says come and play, everyone has fun today. Count the seashells on the sand, 1 to 5 is simply grand. Learning numbers every day makes our ocean games more fun to play. Redfish, yellowfish, greenfish too, purple, orange, bright sky blue. Every color shines with pride, swimming side by side. Seaweed dances in the tide, friendly dolphins splash beside. Wave hello with joyful glee, happy as can be. Octopus waves every arm, keeping all the friends from harm. Sharing smiles wherever they roam, the ocean is their happy home. Golden sunset lights the sea, shimmering so beautifully. Moonlight sparkles silver bright, welcoming the peaceful night.